If you want passive crypto rewards, staking pools are the easiest way even if you're not a technical expert. Step 1. Pick a reputable staking pool. Platforms like Binance, Kraken, Lido. Avoid unknown pools. Security matters more than slightly higher returns. Step 2. Choose the crypto you want to stake. Popular options are Ethereum or Solana or Cardano. They all have active staking rewards. Step 3. Transfer your crypto to the staking pool wallet. Most platforms let you stake directly from your account without moving coins to a separate wallet. Step 4. Select your staking duration. Some people let you unstake anytime, while others lock your coins for higher rewards. Pick what fits your strategy. Step 5. Confirm and start staking. Your rewards will automatically accumulate and get paid out periodically, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on the pool. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.